In this video, I'm going to show you how to send GIFs on an iPhone. So first, what you want to do is open up your Messages app, and you need to make sure that iMessages is turned on. And to turn it on, you need to basically go to your settings, Messages, and make sure this option is turned on when it says iMessage. And then once you are here, if you don't have these options like I do, these at the bottom, just click on this App Store logo to get it. And now to send the GIFs, you need to find these hashtag images. And then here you can search whatever. So let's search for a rabbit. Then you click on search, and then you have a lot of different rabbits. You can click, write your message and send it with the rabbit, for example, or you can choose whatever you want. If you don't see it here, then go all the way to the right and then click on more, and then maybe it should be here, but by default your images should be here. If not, they should be here in more apps. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Let me know in the comments below if this helped you out.